Someone sent Mr. Robot8 a gift box, and there's a card on it. Let's see what's the message on the card and who sent the present. Let's build a car with the blocks and stickers inside this magical box. Can you guess what type of car it will be?
Wow! It's a magical world filled with blocks everywhere. Let's gather some blocks to take back to the workshop. Here's a cube block. It looks perfect for our project.
Next, he found a cylinder, then a rectangle block, a sphere, and finally, a tiny cone.
This little cone looks interesting. Let's bring it back too.
In a flash, Mr. Robot8 was transported back to his workshop with the blocks he found. Now we are back. Let's put the block on our left-hand side.
All right, young explorers, let's start building. According to the instructions, first, we need the rectangle block as the base of our car. Next, let's take one large cube block to place it on top of the back part of the rectangle block and some smaller cubes for the front to make the driver's space. After that, it's time for the wheels. Do you know how many wheels does a car need? I heard 4. Let's add one cylinder here, another there, also here. And there it is, we have wheels.
It seems like we have done with the first part. Let's continue to put on some stickers from the gift box onto the car we just assembled. And what do we have here?
Wow! We have stickers for the windshield, driver's windows, logos, lights, and sidebars. Let's put them on one by one. First, the driver windows go on the sides of the small cubes. And here's the windshield for the front. Look who it is. Damien is the driver. Next, it will be the side logo on the left and on the right. Same goes to the sidebar stickers. And finally, let's add lights on the front and back of the car. And voila, here's our vehicle. But wait, something's missing here. Do you know what it is? It's the siren. We can use the sphere and place it on top of the car. The final touch-up will be to pick the color for our vehicle. Let's have red for the siren. Blue and black color. Yes, we did it. Our police car is complete. Look at our police car. It's ready for adventure.
Looks like Damien just sent Mr. Robot8 a police car.
Oh, I love it. Thank you, Damien. And thank you, young explorers, for helping build the police car. Now it's ready to zoom around the city and keep everyone safe.
Please like and subscribe.